If ever there was a science that's going to help us truly understand what our place is in the universe, it has to be the science of astronomy. Astronomy grounds us in our universe, helps us better understand where all the bits and pieces that make up everything in the universe came from. Ever since humans walked across the surface of the earth, we've always looked into the nighttime sky to try to wonder where we fit into that picture. If you stand outside on any starry clear night, you look up and you will see a distribution of stars across the sky. Some of them appear brighter than others. Others sometimes appear to have different colours as well. And every single one of those little points of light is a sun inside of our Milky Way galaxy, just exactly the same as our own. Maybe some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller, some of them are hotter, some of them are even cooler. But if we look beyond the sphere of stars that we see in the nighttime sky, there are many other galaxies. In fact, there could be absolutely billions and billions of more galaxies in the entire universe. And inside each single one of them, there are many, many more stars to find. From these dark locations where the Keeldar Observatory exists, we don't have any light pollution at all. These dark locations allow the faintest light from the most distant sources in our universe to travel straight into our telescopes. One of the things we absolutely do know and we do understand is that light is like the messenger of the universe. Light has properties. And one of the big properties that light has is it travels at a constant speed that we refer to as the speed of light. So when we look at the moon in the nighttime sky, we can see it because sunlight is reflecting off the moon and coming back towards our eyes. In fact, if you could time how long it takes for light from the moon to get to your eye, it takes about just over 1 second for the light that travels at the speed of light to get from the moon to your eye. So we could say the moon is 1 light second away. If we think about the light from our sun, because the sun is way further out than what the moon is, it would actually take light from the sun just over 8 minutes to get from the surface of the sun to your eye. So again, we could say that the sun is 8 light minutes away. The closest star to our sun is a star called Proxima Centauri. Now that is just over 4 light years away. So it actually takes the light not 8 minutes, but 4 years to travel from the closest star to ourselves to our eye. And the most distant thing in the universe that we've ever seen, the light from it takes 13.5 billion years to travel from that to your eye, traveling at the speed of light. So because of that, whenever we look down a telescope at anything in the nighttime sky, we actually look back in time itself.